Hello guys. Welcome back to Tinaju Children Law Update family. Thank you so much for pulling up and supporting this channel. You are all amazing. Please click share and subscribe. Please also click the notification button to receive similar updates. In this episode we provide updates on statistics for divorce proceedings published in April 2025. There were 24,171 divorce applications under the no-fault divorce legislation this quarter. Between October to December 2024 there were 24,171 applications made, of which 74% were from sole applicants and 26% from joint applicants, including those for dissolution of civil partnerships. Annually, across both no-fault divorce and prior legislation, there were 108,657 divorce applications made and 105,449 final orders granted throughout 2024. This was down 4% and up 2% respectively compared to 2023. The mean average time for divorce cases under the no-fault divorce law was up 2 weeks compared to the equivalent quarter in 2023. The mean average time to first disposal in October to December 2024 took 28 weeks, down nearly 2 weeks compared to the same period in 2023. Across all of 2024, the average time for no-fault divorce cases to reach first disposal was up 4 weeks from 2023 to 35 weeks. There were 24,171 divorce applications made between October to December 2024 under the no-fault divorce NFD legislation. Between October to December 2024 there were 24,171 applications made up of 74% from sole applicants, 26% from joint applicants. This was a decrease of 2% from the same quarter in 2023. Across both no-fault divorce and prior legislation, there were 23,413 final orders granted in October to December 2024, up 2% compared to the same quarter in 2023. In October to December 2024, the mean average time from application to conditional order was 45 weeks, up 3 weeks from the same quarter of 2023. The mean average time from application to final order was 70 weeks, up 2 weeks from the equivalent quarter in 2023. Please note that, due to the mandatory waiting period between applying for divorce and applying for the conditional order, this means that any NFD cases started would have had to have waited at least 20 weeks before getting to the conditional order stage. For cases applied for under the old law, the timeliness measure will represent a dwindling number of cases and reflect the tail end of cases applied for some time ago. And by definition this measure will be relatively high and will increase over time and represent fewer cases until all cases applied for under the old law are dealt with. Annually, applications were down 4% in 2024 compared to 2023 and final orders were up by 2%. There were 108,657 applications under the NFD law in 2024, 75% of these applications were made under a sole applicant. There were also 103,253 conditional orders and 94,243 final orders made under the NFD law in 2024. For digital divorce cases, for example those dealt with in the courts and tribunal service centers that are digital at all stages, there were 23,517 applications made during October to December 2024. The digital divorces cases were up 97% of the total, up from 95% in the same period of 2023. The average time to conditional order, 91% of the total for October to December 2024 was 37 weeks, and 57 weeks from application to final order, which represents 89% of the total. In 2024, digital divorce cases made up 96% of applications compared to 95% in 2023. Digital divorce cases also accounted for 92% of conditional orders and 89% of final orders, from 90% and 83% the year before. For sole divorce cases, there were 17,851 applications made during October to December 2024. This was 74% of the total and it was down 2 percentage points from the same period of 2023. The average time to conditional order for October to December 2024 for these cases was 38 weeks, and 54 weeks from application to final order. For joint divorce cases, there were 6,320 applications made during October to December 2024. This was 26% of the total, up 2 percentage points from the same period of 2023. The average time to conditional order for October to December 2024 for these cases was 32 weeks, and 47 weeks from application to final order. This update was provided to you by Tinaju Children Law Update. Connect with us and listen to news items, legal opinions, updates on case laws, legislation, new governmental policies affecting the social care and social work sector. The beauty of it, you can listen on the go and at your convenience. Please subscribe to Tina Ju Children Law Updates and click on the notification button to ensure that you receive the updates as soon as they are published.